Hello, great people. Well done. You're welcome again. So, we are moving to another stage in our Canva program, Canva class, Canva design, anything you call it. So, in today's class, we will be designing a flyer, a simple flyer using the website Canva, and the flyer is for a laundry service. So do not let us waste much of our time. Let's go straight to our Canva website and let's start working. As we know that you want to start from scratch, you click on this plus sign button, and whenever you want to design something like flyers and some other things that will be requiring you getting some resources outside Canva. Make sure you get everything down before coming to Canva. Get everything down. Those pictures that need to remove their backgrounds, remove their backgrounds. Get every necessary thing down before coming to Canva. But because I'm using Canva Pro, I'll be removing my images background on Canva here. So let's dive in. As we know, we click on customize size and you'll be using 3006 by 4002 pixel. Remember, it is pixel, and if you want to change it to anything, you click on this clip. You can change it to whatever dimension you want, but I'm still using pixel. So create new design. So when we get to our working space, I already know the design I want to do. Whenever you want to design, you can just go online, search for related design for you to have inspiration. So, and as we all know that I want to create laundry service flyer. So I already have my resources that I downloaded. I'll be removing their background here, and I've already uploaded them on Canva here. So first thing I'll be doing now is I want to change this my background to, I want to change it from white. So I want to change it to the kind of color I want to use. You should have get your color to down. So I'll be using, I want to use something like sky blue. No, this is what I want. This is the kind of color I want. So the next thing I'll be doing after this is I'll come to my elements. I want to go and download a curve line. So I'll just say curve line. So I'll just say curve line. Then you search. So getting there are a lot of curve lines there, but there is particular one I'm looking for, something that will suit the kind of design I want to do. So I have a lot here that are pro that I can use, but let's go and search for a free one so that you two can know, you can have access to it if you want to use something like that. There are a lot of pro here which I can use, but just let's scroll down and search for a free one that will suit what I want to design. This yellow one is nice, you can actually choose it, but I don't like that. So let's go down a bit so we surely see the one we are going to use. These are magic recommendation. Let me see all magic recommendation they are giving me. So these are like recommendations of kind of what I may kind of what I may need. These are recommendations. So let's see. Yes, this is the exact the kind of shape I want. But let me try and let me see if I can, if this is free. So you can see we have this now. So we have this, and I love what I'm seeing. I love the design. I love what I'm seeing. So can you see it now? So you just have to fix it in to your background. Don't worry, you will still be seeing that everything will be changing very soon. So the next thing now is I want to go and bring in one of my what is it called? Let me go and change this background to something that will be that will blend with this shape I picked. So let's go. This kind of blue is not going, so let's go for a gradient color. So now let me go and adjust the gradient color. Let me go and adjust it. Let me adjust the gradient color. Let me go and adjust it. Okay, let me change this kind of blue. So I want something that will blend with the one I have. Just let me go and adjust this blue a bit. You need the blue to be a bit blend. So can you see now? It's actually where I'm bringing the next thing I want, which is one of my image. So let's go and bring it. So here is it, the washing machine, and this will be going to uh so can you see what we are seeing here right now? So I'll just take it now to layers so that I can bring this one to back and bring this one up. So I'll just drag this up now from layer. Just click on it and drag it up, or drag this one and bring it down, either of the two. So can you see now? This is the outcome. Can you see? So this is the outcome. Now this will not be showing this way. I want it to be, if this is not what I want to click on, let me go and lock it down so that it will not be moving. So whenever you want to lock any of your design down, just click on the design, come to these three dots, then scroll to this side and click on lock. So it will lock it down. It will not be moving around. Can you see? So it will not be moving anywhere. So this is what I actually want to click on. Yes, this is what I want to click on. I want to move it to the side here. I want to move it to the side here so that the washing machine will be showing. So I'll just have to go and import a shape. So this is it. Then I'll have to go and change the color. So I'll change the shape color to white, plain white, because I want to use it to make this a bit blurry. I want to use it to make the machine a bit blurry. Can you see what I'm trying to do here right now? So then I'll go and reduce the transparency of this shape. So can you see? So the next thing I'll just be doing is I'll take this shape, I'll go to layers again. Then I'll make sure this shape is coming after this. After this, it will be the second thing. No, not the third. It will be the second. So it will be between this shape with this get down and the washing machine. So can you see what we are trying to do? So the next thing now is for me to go and bring in the remaining resources, the remaining images. I've already uploaded them on Canva, just to bring them here, place them exactly where I want them. So this first. So now the next thing I'll be doing is removing the background of this image. So to remove background, that is if you are using Canva Pro. Click on the image, come to effect here. So then you see remove BG. So automatically the background will be removed now. Let's wait for it. So it is an effect. So can you see it has removed the background for me? So it's left. I'm left with the exact image. So I'll just be adjusting the image, cropping it a bit, then placing it where I want it to be placed. So I want it somewhere around here. So can you see now? Whenever you are designing something, you might decide that this is a particular design you want, but along the run, there will be a bit changes. So just watching me through doing this. So after this, I'll go and bring in the second image I want presently, which is the iron. I will remove the background as well. So the background has been removed now. Reduce it a bit, and I want to place it somewhere around, somewhere beside this. You remember, we are designing this for. So can you see it now? We are getting there bit by bit. So what next? The next thing now is I will be needing a frame, a circle frame, because there is particular thing I want to put somewhere. So I will need frame for that. Go to your elements and get a circled frame. Then I'll be placing it where I want it. Just let me put it here first because I might still change the direction. I might still change the direction. I want to decrease the size. So I want to bring in the third clothes. I have 3 clothes, so I'm thinking of bringing it here as well. So this is it, and I'll remove the background and do it any kind of something that will be very nice. One thing about design is just that you just need to be unique. You work like a professional, So let me go and take this to the back. Let's go to layers. So that is where you can actually arrange everything you want. So this will be coming to this side. So I just so can you see now what I'm trying to do? Okay, let me go and bring the image I want to put into this one so that everything about this will be gone. So now let me just bring it into the frame. Let me reduce it a bit. Then you take it into the frame. So we have it here. So this is it. Then we continue. So what next? So the next thing we'll be doing now is to start inputting our text. So let's first thing is the brand name. So this is the brand name. So I have to go and change the font. So the font for something that would be like a brand name or something, you have to use a very big and nice font. So let's go and search. So let's go. Let's see. Let me pick a bold font. Let's see the bold font it will giving us. So there are a lot of fonts here that they are pro version, but at the same time you still see a free version. You still see free version fonts, but this particular one I use is a pro version. It is for pro user, so you can't have access to this exact font, but it's fine. So can you see now? So the next text. Hope I'm making sense here right now. So the next text should be laundry. So for this we'll be changing the text. We'll not be using the same changing the font rather. We'll be changing the font here for this. So we'll not be using the same font. So this one will just be a very simple and light font. Font load network. So I'll copy this now and use it for the service. Mo rí yín pé mo sọ fún yín pé mo record class níbí àbí. Sórí wọn ní àmọ̀ dàrú báyìí. Oh yeah. Mariam, oya máa kó rẹ̀ bọ̀ nígbà. Sọ fún wọn lọ dá rọ́bìṣì kalẹ̀ táwọn ọmọ yẹn fi wá sí ó yá láti lọ fẹ́ tó fi lu ayé ẹ̀ bàjẹ́ sí. So now let's continue. I want to move this a bit up. And one thing is make sure that they are aligned together. So there is this so do you see this purple line? It will be directing you when your words are aligned together. Can you see? So maintain same margin. Maintain same margin for them. So can you see now? So next thing now I want to be inputting so there'll be a text to showcase our services before we move into the call to action, which is the one that will be indicating the contact info. But before I proceed, I want to adjust this aspect a bit by reducing this size, then bringing it down, reducing this, and also reducing this a bit. So can you see now? So that it will be giving us more space. So we'll be having more space on it. So that is the reason why I try to reduce those spaces. So we'll be having more space on it. So let's move on. So let's move on. Still text. So let me just copy this and use this. Let me just copy it and bring it somewhere. So here is where you can actually correct your text size. If you don't want to be adjusting it, you can just come to this font size here, then you give it a number. So I'll just be giving it something like 17 and see if it is okay by me. The 70 is too small, so just let me go for 18. So this is okay. Then this is coming here too, and it should maintain same margin with the ones we are having up there. And I might still change the direction, but that is where it's going to be. I'm not changing any direction for this. So our services, so just let me use notch to bring it down a bit. Then I want to give it an effect so that we'll be having a background effect. So I want to give it effect of having a background. Then I'll just go and change the background color. So can you see now? I'll just go and change the background color. The background color should be white and the text on it is already black. So just let me go and change. Let me go and click on black color so that the black will be a very bold black. Can you see now? So we have this. So now we are almost done. The next thing for us to do now is to start adding our call to action. So we'll be adding contact info. So let's go. So let's go to, we'll be needing icon. So we use icon or text. Let's use icon. Let's use contact icon. Just let me pick this. Just let me pick this. So whenever you are dealing with icons and all these things, zoom your working space so that you'll be able to adjust them to the best size you want. Hope you are getting me, because you must always make sure that your works are aligned together. Always make sure that your work are aligned together. So if you can see now, can you see the three icons that it's showing three purple lines? That means they are all aligned together, so they are of the same size. So that is the reason why I said you should zoom your working space so that you can get the same size for it. Then the next thing is I'll just let me quickly copy and edit to input those details. So can you see those purple lines are the one, they are like indicator telling you this is perfect, this is good, you understand, so that everything, the alignments will be making sense. So can you see now that the alignment will be making sense? So the only thing that remains now is our location icon, which we will be bringing that one down here. So I'll just be using any information here now so that I will quickly round up this video. So the location, I want it to be down here. I want it to be down here. So, and I want it to be down here. So that is it. Then the only thing I think it's left out now is I want to input something here. So just come here and type dots. Just say dots. Just say dots and it will bring something nice. Then you choose any of it. So let's see the one. This is pro. I want the one that will be free. There should be a free one there. But let me choose this in order to save our time. This is a pro one, but let me choose it like that. So I'll be choosing this. So bringing it somewhere around here. It has gone. What happened? Let me go and reselect. Let me go and reselect it. And even I want something that will be editable. I want something I can that I can change the color rather. The network is doing somehow. So there is a dot I'll be using, so I'll just have to decrease the size. I'll put it somewhere around here. Let me go and use the notch button to edit it. So if you just type dot, it will bring it. You understand? So it will bring it for you. Then let me come and change the color to the blue we use. So let me choose this blue. Yes, I think this is okay. So this is okay. So I want to change this blue to the blue we use, because that is what I want to use for all the icons as well. So let's change everything. So that is that about today's class on designing a simple flyer for a laundry service. So thanks for watching. Meet you in another video. Bye for now.